was like, I wanted to say something else, but I didn't say anything. I was just like, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. I have so many things I want to talk about. Now that I'm talking out loud, I feel like there's an echo in here because we are in a different location. Usually, if you've been following me for a while, you see me with like a plain white backdrop. So I'm usually like in the studio in my house. But today I'm trying to film. I've always liked filming in my bedroom. Like I've always liked filming in my bedroom. I don't know, I just like the aesthetic of it. But there's still so many things that I need to put in my bedroom. It's still like kind of in the midst of getting done still. Like my closet's still not finished. So I feel like there's a lot of empty space. There's some furniture in here, but I just feel like there's a lot of empty space. So if there's an echo in here, I apologize. First things first, I do want to say thank you so much for every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I have officially made it to 1,000 subscribers, and that's been one of my goals for so long. I literally thought it was impossible. I never thought I would get here. So I just want to say thank you so much for every single one of you. So today's video is going to be all about AEROPOSTALE. AEROPOSTALE in New York was honestly closing their doors very quickly at one point, where all of a sudden AEROPOSTALE did not exist in New York anymore. Out of nowhere recently, they started opening up AEROPOSTALEs here in New York again. Kind of nostalgic in a way. But they had a huge summer sale. I personally went in there for black shorts. I needed it for a job. I don't have any black shorts in my wardrobe. When I got in there, she told me the shorts were buy one, get one 50% off, which I thought was crazy. So your girl walked out with a huge ass bag. This is the mom short. This is actually in a size 2. I'm usually a size 4, so I feel like these run a little big. They are very stretchy, very stretchy actually. These are so comfortable and they're very roomy. They have 2 holes in the front. Their pockets are very large and very deep. So at one point, I do work in a restaurant, so at one point I didn't even wear an apron a couple days. I honestly just stuffed one pocket with pens, a bottle opener, like lighter, and then the other one I put my serving pad in there, and it all fit. And then in the back, like my phone was there. I love these shorts so much. The only problem and the only issue was, of course, when I get there, my manager tells me that we are not allowed to wear shorts with holes in them, and no one told me that before I went shopping. I literally told her, I was like, I bought these shorts specifically for this job. She's like, yeah, you can't wear holes. I was like, I wanted to say something else, but I didn't say anything. I was just like, okay. Unfortunately, I can't return these. I would wear them out, like, you know, like on a normal day, not just for work. But I bought 4 pairs of these, so I had to return 3 of them. So I returned 3 of them and went back and got this pair of shorts. These have no holes, but they are a little bit shorter than the other ones. This is not as stretchy as the other ones, and the pockets are a lot smaller than the other ones. But they fit perfectly. These are actually a size 4. It's high-rise midi 3 inches, and it says seriously stretchy. It's not stretchy, in my opinion. It's just like, has a little bit of a stretch, but it's not stretchy, you know what I mean? But it hugs my body very nicely. I got 2 pairs of these, and then I just kept 1 pair of these. But when I did go back, the shorts were still buy one, get one 50% off. So if you need shorts, whether they're denim, black, sweat shorts, whatever, go to AEROPOSTALE. The only thing I will say is that with the ones with holes in them, I wore them one day at work, and I guess because like it was like I was sweating. I mean, I work on the beach. I was sweating. I did see like on my thighs, it was like black ink transferred from the shorts, which I thought was super weird. That has never happened to me ever. So I took a shower, it immediately came off. It was nothing like staining. And then I washed the shorts, and then I wore them the next day. Once I wore them the next day, it never happened to me. I wore it the next day after that too. The black ink never transferred onto my skin. So I think once you wash it, it should be fine. Just be aware of that when you buy it. The only thing that I will say is that with these shorts, that did not happen to me. So I don't know, I guess they are made, let's see, maybe they're made differently. And so, oh look, ha! It says wash once before wearing, and this is the one with the holes, which is the one where the ink transferred. And this says wash once before wearing, but I didn't do that and it didn't happen to me. Okay, well, wash it before you wear it. And maybe that won't happen. As I was on my way to check out with all the shorts, of course, you have to walk through like the accessories and the socks and stuff like that before you get to the actual cashier. I'm always losing my hair clips, so I saw this one here. This one is so cute. It's super girly. It kind of reminds me of like cow print, but it's like pink and brown. The other ones that I have are very neutral. It's just a plain brown clip. So I picked up one of these. I get to the cashier and she tells me that they are buy one, get two free. I was like, what? She's like, yeah, if you want to get two more. I was like, okay, sure, no problem. So I went and picked up this one too. This one is so cute, super pretty. This is super attention grabbing, but like in the best way possible. It's so cute. I love the color. I love, 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 love that the actual like clip is a butterfly. If you know me and you've been following me for a while, whether here on YouTube or on Instagram, you know butterflies hold a special place in my heart. I connect to them in a very, very different way. These are my spirit animals. I can go in. I could really make a whole video on butterflies. And the last one, honestly, none of the other clips really stood out to me. I mean, it was literally buy one, get two free. So I figured to pick up one more. This is a purple. It has some gold reflex on it. It kind of reminds me of like an amethyst crystal. It's kind of like in the shape of a pearl. I don't know, that's the way I see it. When you open it, it's kind of like a butterfly, but like when it's closed, it's kind of like a pearl. When I went back to return the shorts and I was going through the aisle again, I noticed they had so many more clip options, and all of the clips were usually just in a pack of one. They had some that were in a pack of two. And super cute, super pretty. I honestly wish they were available when I was there the first time. And I also like buy socks almost everywhere, especially if they have cute designs. So the first one that I picked up was this one. They came in a pack of two. Obviously, I'm all thinking about this job and for the gym. Like, I personally love crew socks for the gym. I think they are just so cute whether you're wearing shorts or leggings. Like, I don't know, this is just like my perfect sock style. But this one's so cute. It's a pink and white tie-dye with some daisies on it, and then they just have a plain white. I feel like you could never have enough plain white crew socks. Again, I get to the cashier and she tells me the socks are also buy one, get two free. I was like, what? Like, this is what? I'm literally picking up so many things from AEROPOSTALE and I came here for two shorts. Like, that's crazy. So I also got this one. This is like a pastel pink sock with a USA embroidery on top. And then this one is a gray with some yellow, white, and pink stripes at the top as well. Also crew socks, also in a pack of two, which I think is crazy that they were buy one, get two free. And then, honestly, these were the best style socks that I personally found. When I went back to return the other shorts, I never looked at the socks again, but I saw the clips that they had more options, so I'm sure that the socks have more options too. But the last one I got was this one's like a little bit of a brighter pink, I guess you could say. Not hot pink, but it's a little bit brighter than the other one. It has a heart with the arrow lettering at the top, and then this one is a cute teal color with the arrow lettering at the top and a pink heart. Super cute. I bought one pack of socks and I got literally 4 pairs of socks free. Crazy. And then I went to buy one clip and I got 2 clips for free. And then the shorts were buy one, get one 50% off. I don't know, I think that sale was insane. I went at the perfect time. I'm so glad I didn't go anywhere else for like my shorts. Yeah, AEROPOSTALE really surprised me. The only reason I'm making this video, I had no plans on making this a video, but the sale was crazy to me. I'm so happy with everything I got. I'm so happy that when I went back and returned the other items, the sale was still going on. So if you need shorts, I do want to go back to see their bathing suits. They had some really cute jeans that I need to get more jeans too, and they had some cute crop tops as well. So I definitely will be finding myself in AEROPOSTALE again. If you are in the need of new summer clothes, I definitely say try AEROPOSTALE. The sale might be going on wherever you are. If not, you can always check online too. I'm sure the sale runs online too. But yeah, that's actually it for this video. Super short, super quick. Honestly, I just wanted to come on here very quickly and say thank you so much for supporting me and for being here. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to stick around. I have a lot more videos coming your way. Please let me know if you like me filming in the studio or if you like this like aesthetically pleasing location. There's a lot I gotta do here. Maybe I'll do a room tour. Maybe you guys want to see a room tour. I don't know, let me know. I also finally got my vanity, so gotta do some stuff for that as well. My vanity chair came in not too long ago. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.